brakes probably aren't as touchy as yours, but they do work.
Word.
Really
Yeah, I'll show you how to ride it. Don't worry. Yeah, I'm playing. Woo! Bro, you see how it just picks up, dog? Alright, gang, so we're about to ride Sonny's brand new 350cc 2-stroke Banshee. And bro, just look at it. It is flipping beautiful. Thank you for letting me get the chance to ride this beautiful thing.
Don't worry, we'll teach you how to ride it.
They're gonna teach me how to ride. I need to learn, so. Yo! This thing is so fast. Holy crap. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, bro. These things got so much power. Yo, my heart is freaking beating. I gotta ask him what gear, dude, cause like, yo, what gear do I gotta be in? Second?
I told you I'm gonna teach you how to ride it, boy.
I'm just scared. I want to be safe on her. When you pick it up, are you in the band a little bit?
You pick it up in the band, but you try to drop back.
When it starts to hit the band, that's when you come off it.
See how fast this goddamn Banshee is, bro? Hey, he got it now. You see, he's a quad rider, bro. He's a real quad rider. Hey, you a quad rider? I said you're a quad rider. Yes, sir. Yo! Woo! We got a little bit right there, bro. Woo! Bro, you see how it just picks up, dog? What the hell? I'm gonna try one sit down and I'm getting off this bike because it's too much. Woo! That. Hell no. Woo! Okay, okay. He's smoother than me for sure. Let's go. Let's see that Banshee. Yee! Bro, I need a Banshee. I know I say it all the time. I just love how these things sound, bro. Sheesh. Oh my god.
Don't start it in gear.
It's in gear?
Yeah. You don't start that one in gear. Yeah, start it.
Wait, you have to hold the clutch to start it? Damn. What happens if the freaking popo's on your back, bro? You're like trying to find neutral. Alright, we're on its 450R, bro. I was gonna get this bike before my YZ 450. Well, I was in between these two bikes. Oh my god. I was in between these two bikes. Woo! I ain't gonna lie, this thing feels a little bit rough. I don't know if I'm just used to the YZ, but it's really like rough. Like when you're up there, like, you know?
Oh no, that is just...
That's normal?
Yeah, that's just normal.
Yeah, I'm just used to the YZ 450. But it's not even like, I guess it's like the torque, but it's like that torque with the engine brake. Like it like bounces back and forth, you know?
Yeah, that's what the fuck is going on.
It might be your chain, bro. Oh no, your chain's pretty tight. Bro, how are you gonna ride with a freaking stogie in your hand? Be careful, my baby. Alright, I let him on my freaking YZ 450, and I'm a little bit scared, as y'all know, because we got a ride coming up, and I don't want to... It's way smoother, right? Hey, yeah. Hey, be careful. Woo! That shit scares the hell out of me. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. Way better, right? It's way smoother.
It's way smoother.
That's what I'm saying, bro. The YZ.
I feel like I even got a little further back.
No, yeah.
And I don't have to.
Yeah, you don't have to like clink it. Oh my gosh, big 450. Oh, he's way smoother on that thing, bro. Way smoother.
Way smoother.
That's what I.
Did I not look different?
You looked way more comfortable, bro.
Yeah, nah, it's definitely the bike. 100%.
I mean, the YZ 450s, those are just smooth ass little babies right there.
Yeah, bro. I felt different.
Mm-hmm.
I felt different completely.
Alright. We made it to the wall, bro. It's always a little sketchy, but yeah, we need to fill up our bikes, bro. I need gas. You know, filling up the bikes. Oh shit, thank you.
I should have let you go first.
Yo, on his bike, he has trophies from the impound lot, bro. He has one on each side, dog.
This is one, that's another one, that's another time.
Yo, what? That's crazy.
And they're not allowed to remove them either, because I can take them off, but they can't take them off. Yeah.
Boy, shaking that two-stroke. That's two-stroke life right there. Woo! Coming in on that Banshee. Look at the little Red Bull bottle. Okay. Woohoo! We tuning that thing. No hands. Money. Let's go. What happened? Boy got that 90 work on lock. Woo! Bro, he jumped with one hand off, bro. He really be flossing like that 90 like it's a big bike, bro. Sir. Let's go, bro. He's shredded. Bruh. You brought your big bike too?
No.
Only this? Ah, hey, you killing it.
I got in my home. I bring it up.
Ah, okay. Look at everyone just coming through. Whew. Okay. That's a mini 90, dog. That's not even a 90. Let's go! Shredded.